Hi friends, happy Sunday. Sorry we've missed you for a few days. We've been really busy doing projects around the house and working and hanging out with the kids. So we're gonna make a vlog today. We are on our way to Asheville. We're gonna run some errands and then we're gonna go to see the Rhodes bus. They're having an open house before they head out on the Great American Farm Tour. So we'll show you their bus and take you along on our adventure today.
We actually did record yesterday. We put up the framing for our hoop house. Jason Contreras, he helped. We got the ribs up, we got some wood on, and I'm hoping to spend some time this week and get the framing completed, and I'm gonna order plastic and a few other parts for it, and then hopefully, we're gonna keep our fingers crossed, within 10 days, we will have that hoop house operational and we can start our seeds, because it really seems like it's gonna be an early spring. The robins are back. I think that's enough said. The robins are back. Like, the robins shouldn't be back for probably like another 4 weeks, and they come back by the thousands. And they're coming back and they're pulling worms out of the ground. So I think it's gonna be an early spring. I mean, winter could prove me wrong. Mother Nature's crazy. But we'll find out. All right, we ended up getting a little bit hungry, maybe a lot hungry. So we are stopping at Mila. We did this last weekend. We probably are getting back into the routine of this. So we're gonna eat real quick. Then we're gonna get on with the day. All right, that was a quick lunch at one of our favorite Indian restaurants, Mila. And now we are headed to the Rhodes house for a little open house bus tour.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes.
I love you, Dad.
Oh, I love you too, Everett. Best son ever. You see that father and love son there? Father and son love. Father and son love, yeah. I'll have to get my words straight. So we're gonna go do this right now. Then we're gonna meet up with our BRC crew. And if you don't know by now, you should. BRC, Blue Ridge Conversions. The three of us and our families are gonna get together for a little dinner, business meeting. Hard-working guys on Sunday. So we'll take you. We'll see you soon. We out.
We're here. Are you excited? What'd you think of the bus, Stella? What'd you think of that bus?
It's so bright in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, it's the first time I've seen it completely finished, and it's really, really bright. I had my sunglasses on when I went in, and I was just like a little blown away. It does not seem, it seems a whole lot larger inside. You gotta go check it out.
Okay. Am I gonna be able to get you out of this bed? You don't want to talk right now? He seems to have made himself at home.
This is where he's been hanging out the whole time.
Yeah, I think he really is enjoying it.
I've seen you here, Everett, and I haven't seen you leave.
You gonna go on the Great American Farm Tour?
Okay.
But I wasn't grown up in my. 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 Oh, always.
I asked the kids where they were going and they said Africa. That'll be a long journey.
Bye.
They have kids in there. There's
Hope you guys enjoy your trip.
Oh, we will. We will.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
We look forward to
Good luck.
following because it's going to be it's going to be interesting.
Yep.
It is going to be interesting.
That's an interesting word.
It's gonna be exciting. Interesting.
Like the little one guy, everything.
I'm gonna take my shoes off because I have.
All right. Well, I mean, you're not my kids, so whatever. Your parents say it's okay with me.
Listen to us.
Yeah.
I'm leaving the home.
Well, I'm not going to put my shoes on, but you have to hold
Right,
them.
right, yeah.
You have to hold them.
That's
No,
hilarious.
thank you.
We just left the Rhodes farm. We toured their bus. What'd you think of their bus, Ev? It was beautiful. I think they're gonna have a really great time and quite the adventure. Traveling the United States, visiting all the different farms with their kids. I think it'll be a lot of fun and I'm excited to watch them.
I crashed into Daddy.
Look at this lighting. We're gonna wrap things up. We're grocery shopping. I don't know what time it is at night. We've ate out twice, which is so unusual in one day. So we're gonna get
Basically
groceries.
our lives revolve around food.
Yeah, food. Today's like
Yeah,
a food and
that's
hangout day. So
for me. I was eating all my food.
anyway, we're gonna wrap this. We'll see you guys tomorrow.